I'm back again. So I've just come from work, and I found that I have no Wi-Fi in the room. And then I remembered in the morning, as I was in a hurry to go to work, I stepped on this thing, and I think I damaged it. As you can see, it's all broken. I think these things even are coming off. So this is the adapter that powers the wireless router. So it's a 5 volt, it's a 12 volt 1 ampere adapter. So this kind of thing is very cheap. It's just 12 watts. It's very cheap. So I have two options. I can just go and buy a new one, or just repair this. But where is the fun in buying a new one? So I'll tell you where the fun is, giving this adapter a new life. So let's go and open it. I think it just pops open. So these are the input wires. So these wires are soldered to these two pins, and then these pins are the one you insert to your socket. So let's see. Okay, we can either glue them back in place and solder them, but I want to hack it. So a good hack for this is I found this cable. So I found this cable. So I can choose to cut it at a reasonable length, but I want to use the entire cable so that I can maybe repurpose it in the future. So this is how we are going to do it. We are going to insert these two wires through these two holes, and then solder these wires together. And also we are going to use some insulating tape, and maybe we can use some hot glue to make sure that the wires do not move. So let's get started. By the way, I have decided to do something else. Instead of making this joint, I can solder these wires directly to the to this board. That is the easiest way. We also are going to avoid this joint, which is a point of weakness. So I think this is the best way to do it. You avoid the joints. In electronics and electrical appliances, if you can avoid joints, that would be a very good thing. So joints are points of weakness, just like your body. Anywhere you have a joint might as well be your weakest point. So this is the best way to do it. But sometimes you can't always avoid joints. You might need them in certain situations. So we are going to add some hot glue here. So to reduce this flexing, so like this. That is enough, and maybe a little bit. A little bit at the bottom. I think that is enough. And now we can put the adapter back as it was. So let's see if we'll have I don't know whether you can see, but let me show you whether it's working or not. So I'm going to switch off the light and show you. Yeah, see, now only the router is on. So our charger is okay. Now I can go enjoy a movie or do something else. So thank you, stay tuned for more.